The most dominant servers in the world all have something in common. They're really good at disguising their intentions. Okay, the reason why they're so good at it is because they all use the same grip, and that grip is the Eastern backhand grip. The reason that grip is so good is because it's extremely versatile, and it gives you the ability to hit extreme spins. All right, the Continental grip is the one that is most commonly used and most commonly taught. Reason is it's not so extreme and it's pretty easy on the wrist. Okay. Continental grip is the one that goes straight inside the V of your hand. So imagine you have a hammer, okay, and then you basically hold your racket that way, as if you're going to hit a nail on the ground, okay, if you ever forget where Continental is. All right, so that's a Continental grip. And that one is good to be versatile, but it does not give you the extreme spins. The reason is your wrist gets in the way, okay, and if you notice, if you look at my motion a little bit, okay, as I'm going up, I'm able with a wrist pronation to go flat, which is great. Okay, I'm also able to go slice, but if you notice, I cannot go extreme slice because my wrist sort of breaks right here and cannot go any farther. Okay, so that limits my ability to curve that serve out wide. Okay, and as far as the topspin is concerned, I'm able to go topspin, but I'm not able to go extreme kick. Okay, because the extreme kick needs a very, very high accelerated top contact up here to be able to get the spin that I want. So what we do is we go to the extreme Eastern backhand grip. If you guys ever have an issue finding it, it's actually quite easy. You put your racket right here, like you're putting your sword back in its case, okay? And then you basically grab your sword out of its case, okay? So there you have it. And then if you look at the grip, it's going to be the edge, the inside edge of your racket, straight into the V of your hand, okay? Right here. And if you notice, when I'm holding my racket on the side, my racket is basically slightly at an angle, okay? It's almost a 90-degree angle with my wrist, almost, okay? And what that does, it allows me to actually, with a very flexible wrist, to do a wrist pronation where my thumb goes towards the ball and flatten it, okay? So that is one serve that I'm able to execute with that grip. The second one is I'm able to go extreme slice because already naturally, my grip is in that position to slice the ball, okay? So I'm able to really add extra and cut my angle even more. If you notice, I've really been able to go from right to left in a very extreme fashion. But more importantly, excellent for the kick serve because as I go top, I have a longer range of contact up here to be able to really brush my ball from the top and add just tremendous amounts of rotation to it, okay? So one grip with one toss is able to give you 3 different extreme serves that will drive your opponent nuts, okay, and give you an edge every time you step up to the plate to serve. So work on it.